Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Why does my car overheat quickly? Causes and fixes. Ever been stuck on the side of the road with steam pouring out from under your car's hood? It's a frustrating situation that can ruin your day. Car overheating is a common problem, especially during the summer months. If your car heats up quickly, there are a few likely culprits. In this video, we'll dive into the reasons your car might be overheating and what you can do about it. From low coolant levels to a possible radiator issue, we've got you covered. Stick around to learn how to diagnose and fix the problem so you can keep your car running smoothly. Common causes of car overheating. Cars overheating can be a common issue that many drivers face, and it's essential to understand the underlying causes to prevent serious damage to your vehicle. Here are some of the most frequent reasons why cars overheat. Low coolant level. One of the primary reasons for a car overheating is a low coolant level. Coolant, also known as antifreeze, plays a crucial role in regulating the temperature of the engine. If the coolant level is too low, there won't be enough to dissipate heat effectively, leading to overheating. Regularly checking and topping up the coolant levels can help prevent this issue. Faulty thermostat. A faulty thermostat can also cause a car to overheat quickly. The thermostat is responsible for regulating the flow of coolant through the engine. If it malfunctions, it may get stuck in the closed position, preventing the coolant from circulating properly and causing the engine to overheat. Replacing a faulty thermostat is a relatively simple fix that can prevent overheating issues. Cooling system leaks. Another common cause of car overheating is cooling system leaks. Leaks in the cooling system can lead to a loss of coolant, reducing the system's ability to regulate the engine's temperature. Inspecting the cooling system for any leaks and promptly addressing them can help prevent overheating and potential damage to the engine. Radiator issues. Issues with the radiator, such as clogs or damage, can also contribute to a car overheating. The radiator is responsible for dissipating heat from the coolant as it circulates through the system. If the radiator is clogged or damaged, it won't be able to effectively cool the coolant, leading to overheating. Regular maintenance, including flushing the radiator and checking for damage, can help prevent this issue. Understanding these common causes of car overheating can help you identify and address potential issues before they escalate. Regular maintenance, such as checking coolant levels, inspecting the thermostat, and monitoring the cooling system for leaks, can go a long way in preventing overheating and keeping your car running smoothly. Signs of an overheating car. When your car starts showing signs of overheating, it's essential to address the issue promptly to prevent more significant problems. Here are some common indicators that your car might be overheating. Steam coming from the engine. If you notice steam coming from under the hood of your car, it could be a sign of overheating. Steam usually indicates that coolant is boiling and escaping from the overheated engine. Pull over immediately and allow the engine to cool down before investigating further. Temperature gauge in the red zone. Keep an eye on your car's temperature gauge. If the needle moves into the red zone or if a temperature warning light illuminates on your dashboard, it's a clear indication that your engine is running too hot. Pull over safely and turn off the engine to prevent damage. Strange smells. A sweet smell resembling syrup or burning rubber could indicate an overheating engine. This odor could be caused by leaking coolant or overheating components. Ignoring these smells could lead to severe engine damage, so it's crucial to address them promptly. Engine misfiring. An overheating engine may cause your car to misfire, manifesting as a shaking or vibrating sensation while driving. This could be due to the engine running too hot and affecting the combustion process. If you experience engine misfiring along with other signs of overheating, it's vital to address the issue immediately. Stay vigilant for these signs of an overheating car to prevent further damage and ensure the safety of your vehicle and yourself on the road. Remember, addressing overheating issues promptly can save you from costly repairs down the line. Preventive measures to avoid overheating. Driving your car can be a smooth experience until it suddenly overheats. To prevent this from happening, there are several key preventive measures you can take to avoid overheating issues. Regular coolant checks. One of the simplest yet most crucial steps in preventing your car from overheating is to ensure regular checks on the coolant level. Coolant is responsible for maintaining the optimum temperature of your engine. Make it a habit to check the coolant level in the reservoir and top it up if needed. Additionally, consider flushing out the old coolant and replacing it with fresh coolant according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Thank you for joining us as we uncovered the reasons why cars overheat quickly. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll provide even more insights and practical tips to keep your vehicle running at its best. Please comment, Like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.